It's another Wednesday update.
That's right, it's finally done. The kitchen is done. The crew came back, took care of all of our concerns, and it came out great.
And when we finish our walk, we'll show you. We're halfway done. Hey, we're back from our walk. I want to show you our finished kitchen.
So Josh and his team from Beachside Refinishing did an excellent job. Any concerns we had, they addressed right away. They're easy to work with, and the results are stunning. As you can see, now the drawer faces are a perfect size, and everything lines right up.
And the drawers open freely, and check out the soft close.
And take a look at the uppers. They have that classic look with the glass, and they're soft close too. So after 6 weeks, the renovation of the Surfside Beach condo is done. We have new floors, new countertops, and refaced cabinets.
Although we had contractors, Steve and I did a lot of work too.
Like the garbage disposal and the discharge pipes, which took us probably about 3 times to get it right.
Third time's a charm. And Steve did all the plumbing.
We have running water. And when we arrived here, the vent pipe from the dryer was just sticking into the wall, but I made a better connection. And Sue and I, we regrouted the floor in both bathrooms. And Sue and I even installed this new vent, much quieter than the old one. So I say we were very happy with Beachside Refinishing. Josh and his crew did a great job in the cabinets, and all the contractors that came in, we were very happy with their work.
So before we go, let's see some before and after pictures.
Hey, and this Friday we review all the restaurants on Ocean Boulevard here in Surfside Beach. And they were all great except for one. So subscribe and hit that bell and come back on Friday to see the results.
And that's our Wednesday update.